Hello everybody, Jennifer from Scrapping Under the Influence. I am here with my latest project. This is Pirates by Carta, and this is a big album. It is 12 by 9, chipboard base. We've got the big shaker on the front. There's one sheet of the paper that is just gorgeous. It's got that pirate ship on it. There we go. And I have fussy cut out the pirate ship, and then I used a second sheet to get that moon laid out where I wanted it to. And then this is an embroidery hoop from Michaels that had, it's plastic, it's actually not real wood, but it looked exactly like what I had in my head I wanted to do. I've got a shaker mix in here I just kind of put together myself with a bunch of different things out of my stash. So there's like some little black gems, and there's pearls, and there's some little iridescent pieces in there. Around the edge of the frame I have some thicker jute twine and then some chiffon ribbon that I got on clearance a while ago, and I just knotted it every inch or so, and then because it kind of looked like the sails. That's kind of what I was going for with that. So just to finish that off, it does have a 2-inch spine, and let's take a look. So when we open this up, and let me flip my light over so that now I don't have the acetate there where it's going to glare. On this side, we do have a little pop-up. I did not mat the inside of this. I did use the matching solid cardstock to construct that, but I didn't mat the inside of it because it really didn't need it. On this side, we've got the story page from the collection, and if anybody remembers my dinosaur album, which was also Carta paper from a couple of years ago, it had one sheet that was kind of like this comic book page that had these really amazing dinosaur illustrations that I did something very similar with. So on each of these, I just cut out the picture that was on there, left the rest of it intact, and then made those into little flaps so that I was able to keep that page pretty much whole, but still, you know, have a fun interactive element on there. The pages inside are 11.5 by 8.5. Hold on. Yes, 8.5. I've been working on this for days. You'd think I'd know. And there's 4 pages total. So this, I did use both the 12 by 12 paper and the 6 by 6 paper. I used 2 each of the 12 by 12 all patterns, and then 2 each of the solids, and then about half of the 6 by 6 pad, along with the ephemera, the frames and tags, and stickers. So, like I said, it's a big project. So this is just magnetic, holding this little flap shut. You open this up and you've got some photo mats here and a nice big pocket there. On this side, I wanted to do something with this little guy on his little wheel because he was just too cute. So he's just on a little spinner there. Opens up, you've got a nice big spot for a photo here and another big pocket there. This is one of the cut aparts that's just adorable. So that will flip right back up like so. Here we've got a big pocket here along with stacked pockets. I debated about doing a tag or something on this one, and I decided not to ultimately, just because, again, I was running low on paper. So on this side, we've got this on top that opens up. We've got a little waterfall, and again, I took that same story page from the 6 by 6 and then just used it to mat my waterfall there. That closes up like so, and then this opens up and we've got photo spaces here and here. On this side, so I've got some waves that I did with the Cricut. My ship here, if you saw my Doodlebug Rainbow Over the Rainbow album, I had the little hot air balloon that moves up and down. So in this case, we've got the ship that's going to slide back and forth. Exact same process to make this as I did on the Rainbow album. So haven't done the tutorial for the base for that yet, but I will. On this side, this just flips down this opens up this way. You've got a huge spot right here for pictures. I do have one little insert in the belly band there, but then that is closed with a magnet. And then just behind here, you know, I was trying to keep that shipwreck page somewhat intact. And so we've got just a big pocket there. And then that paper with the sharks in the water. I just love that one. On the back side here, we have another big belly band. We have a band here that slides to the side, and that holds together a larger reverse waterfall with a pocket at the bottom. It does not want to move right for me. Anyway, that's okay. And last but certainly not least, on the back inside cover, I have another element that I did with the Cricut. I will link the Cricut file in the description on the video. But that just holds this little flip closed. And I decided to leave the back of those unmatted. This is, again, the 6x6. And then just scraps that were left. And again, that's held down with a magnet. So that's it. That is my super huge pirate album, and I hope you guys enjoyed this. I will be posting the tutorial separately. I've got a fair amount I need to edit on that, so I will be posting that hopefully tomorrow. As always, thank you for stopping by. I appreciate it. I'll see you next time. Bye.